description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we're not doing noodles, alright? We're gonna do this. This is Nongshim Taekyung Topokki sweet. What? Sweet and mild spicy. So it's not very spicy. And it's baby shark. Pink fong. So there you go. So let's do it to it. 110 mils of water. So we're gonna get that boiling. We're also going to get this topokki, and we gotta like rinse it with cold water. That's like the first thing to do. Woo. Today is October 3rd, 2025. It's today all day long. So here we go. So I am doing well. Hope you're doing well yourselves, people with your faces. This stuff is really good. Here we go. There's our tteokbokki. It's shaped as baby shark. See? Sometimes this stuff, if you like kind of go like this a little bit, it'll make it easier. It'll separate. But you gotta rinse it with the cold water. There we go. It's very cold, ladies and gentlemen. It's so cold. So you rinse it with cold water. And you drop it in the pot. Like it's hot. And then you're hot. You doing your hot thing. So yeah, I'm like, it's Friday. It's my Friday. My Friday. And it's nice out, nice enough. It's not horrible. What do I need? I need scissors too. That's my general review set. Scissors, soup spoon, and a fork. That's what we got for today's show. But I'm bringing it to a boil. It's already starting to steam slightly, as it will end up being boiling. It seems so dark in here. It's pretty bright back there. I don't know. That's just kind of the way it is currently, so that's the way it's going to be. But we got to get this to a boil. 110 milliliters of water. I mean, it's not like a lot of water. But you get it to a boil. Then you add in the powder. And then you turn it down, let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. I've got it at 3.5 minutes. So, drink my. Look, it's beauty pie. Oh, the juice. But yeah, I think I'm in the week, having walked 45 miles. Something like that. Ah, it's bubbling. All right. This will all be over soon. I've got some neat add-ins and such, so I'm really stoked. Can you tell? I'm really stoked. Okay, so it's boiling. Why don't you watch? I know you like that. Here's our mild spiciness. Now we're gonna stir that in. So yeah, they're rice cakes. Topokki. Alright, let's get like the perfect angle of view for those of you who like watching things boil. Because I know there is a certain amount of people, and that's the only reason they watch my show, because they like to watch food cook. That's rad. Is that like a fetish thing? Is that... I don't know what that is. I like it though, it's nice. What are you doing today? I gotta watch this guy's show. He cooks stuff. I like to watch the water boil. Ah, that sounds relaxing. It is. You know. But boil it does, and it's boiling. The squirrels aren't coming around for some reason. I hope the coyotes didn't get them, or they didn't put out things to make squirrels unhappy. That would really piss me off, because we've got like 18 pounds of nets for squirrels here. I would lodge a formal complaint if that was the case. So last weekend I bid on these Cantonese opera records. They're 78 RPM records. They're from, like, you know, maybe not 100 years ago, but getting close to it. I've played 2 of them. One of them, it was like, wow. Not really a big fan. The second one was a little more like what I would have expected. I liked it better. So, yeah, I don't know. But but I got them for a really good deal, considering they can go up for $100 each on eBay. I certainly didn't pay $400 for 478. So, but yeah, that's cool. I've just been walking a lot, man. A lot. And it's been really nice. Been getting sore, so I'm gonna like ease back on it a little bit, but I don't know. What I was trying to do is see how fast I could walk, and it just walk really fast for an hour, and the highest I got this week was 3.13 miles in an hour. Granted, that's not like, I don't even know if that's really accurate. It's coming out of the, oh, this is starting to stick a little. I don't like that. It's the Fitbit reporting that. So I don't know if that's true. However, you know, I do walk a ways. It's just like, what I want is 100% GPS done distance tracking. I think that would be nice. And by the way, I don't wear a freaking watch. I don't care what you say or what anybody else tells you. Fitness watches are bullshit. They're a lie. How do you track how fast you're walking or how long you walk with your wrist? You walk with your feet. It's a scam. They're just like, you know, oh, you swing your arms a certain amount. Now, I've told people, yeah, tteokbokki, it's rice cake. It's usually in tubes. These are in baby shark shapes. But I've told people, and people have been like, dude, that's like a really horrible way to put it. But I've been like, it's kind of like adult beefaroni. It's like way upgraded beefaroni. I don't know. This one here is giving me the feeling that It smells beefaroni-ish. Here's a little baby shark. Let's give it a try. Mmm. It's sweet, very sweet. Or hot. Mmm. Yeah, mild spicy. I don't know. That tastes like Chef Boyardee, and that is not a complaint in any way. I think that is really good stuff. Wow, I could chow that down right now. Chow, chow, chow. You know, I don't know if I want to use this bowl. I really don't. I'm not gonna do it. It's supposed to be a spicy. I'm gonna use this bowl. It'll fit, it'll work out. I think that's a much more reasonable looking bowl. I wonder if my daughter would like this. I mean, this is like such a mild, non-spicy. If you're looking for spicy, you're not gonna find it. Mmm. Baby sharks. Okay. So what do we got going on? Wow. Oh, really? My scallion is just like almost done with. And I got these 2 days ago. That really blows. So the rest of them will go in the trash. I tell you, I do. And you listen. And I appreciate it. I think. Right about there, I think. Maybe. I hope I'm right. I'm right. There you go. Look at those beauties. They didn't want to cooperate this morning. I had one. It's like, I don't know. Maybe you guys know. After having them refrigerated for a while, it seems like the yolk kind of decides to settle in a spot. And when I soft boil them, it just doesn't work out so well. I don't know what's going on, but I don't like it. And I've been doing considerably fewer reviews lately. So it's like it hangs out a lot longer before it gets any use. The eggs. I've got one or two more things to add in here. I'm just ripping the sides off the packaging because they're even done with that. Yeah, gosh, that looks really nice. I think. Alright, that can go over here. I'll use this one. little bit of seed. That's good. Boy, I really want to sit here and mow that freaking stuff down right there. That looks good. What I tried, I enjoyed thoroughly. So, yeah. But I think we're going to call it a day on this one. This looks really good. Why is it so freaking dark in here? Oh. Our light's not working. Alexa, turn on the sun. Yeah, that light's dead. I might be able to fix that in the next episode. I think that may work. Yeah. All right. Watch it rotate. Well, if you're looking for a box of baby shark shaped Topokki, this is what you want, folks. And the other one is good too. They had a creamy one that was really good. I've got a smart bulb. I'm going to replace that and take beautiful, beautiful pictures of instant noodles. And then I'll be back on the next episode. What am I going to have? This. This is... Probably like, oh, what is that? That's Nissan Deme Icho. Now, this was sent to me by HongKongFoodies.com, which I highly recommend you check out. This is the 100% Hokkaido flour version, and it's not easily come by. She sent me a bunch of different varieties. Thank you again, and this is the first I'm going to try because this is the classic Deme Ramen, okay? Sesame flavor. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. I got my chashu thawed. I got my egg ready. We're good to go. So this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. See you on the next episode. Have a good one. Bye-bye.